Why is the light strip also installed, but others make it see the light but not the light? The light is even, clean, and layered after some projects are done, but you can directly see the light strip. There are obvious light spots and light and dark boundaries on the wall. Many people's first reaction is that the light strip is not selected properly, but there's another thing that's easy to overlook. The structure, size, and production material of the lamp slot are good or bad, will affect the final light effect. Especially hotels, shopping malls, office buildings, these projects. As soon as the light slot is done, it is tens of meters, hundreds of meters. So for projects that require batch construction, you can use this PVC return light slot. It is integrally formed through a PVC extrusion process. The cross-sectional structure and size of the lamp slot are more uniform. Achieve the effect of hiding light strips and indirect lighting. Let the ceiling, walls, and lights close, it looks more concise and regular. What's more, engineering projects are not everywhere can directly use the same specification. Different ceiling structures, different installation positions. There will be different requirements for the size and section of the lamp slot. Therefore, we support according to the project requirements. Customize different sizes, colors, and cross-sectional structures. We are a manufacturer of PVC extrusion products. From mold, extrusion molding, fixed length cutting, to mass production and packaging shipments, can be coordinated according to the needs of the project. For engineering procurement, you may need more than just a light socket. It has uniform specifications, easy installation, and can be customized, and a solution that can provide long-term stable batch supply. If you're doing a hotel, a mall, an office building, or other commercial space lighting projects, send us your section, size, and purchase quantity. We can, according to your project, help you match the appropriate PVC return light slot. We are the Source Factory. Affordable price. Welcome to consult.